Stakeholder management is crucial for business analysts. While technical skills are vital, engaging and collaborating with stakeholders often determines project success. We'll explore how understanding and managing these relationships can lead to successful outcomes. Stakeholders range from clients to developers, each with unique expectations. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for aligning everyone with project goals. As business analysts, we must grasp these nuances to ensure effective collaboration and project success. Identifying and analyzing stakeholders is crucial. Map their roles and influence to tailor communication and engagement strategies. This ensures effective management and alignment with project goals. Understanding these dynamics allows us to engage stakeholders meaningfully, setting the stage for building strong relationships based on trust and transparency. Building strong stakeholder relationships is crucial. Trust, empathy, and transparency are key. Emotional intelligence and diplomacy are vital soft skills. Listen actively, understand pain points, and avoid assumptions. These elements foster collaboration and ensure alignment with project goals, paving the way for successful stakeholder engagement. Conflicting requirements are inevitable. As business analysts, we must facilitate discussions to align diverse interests with project goals. Negotiating compromises is key, ensuring overall business benefit. This requires empathy, patience, and a focus on the bigger picture, helping stakeholders see beyond individual needs to achieve collective success. Effective communication is key for business analysts. Tailor your language to suit your audience, ensuring technical details are clear to non-technical stakeholders. Clarity in documents, meetings, and presentations is essential for successful stakeholder engagement and collaboration. Utilizing tools like the RACI, responsible, accountable, consulted, informed, matrix is essential for clarity in stakeholder roles. It defines who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed, preventing confusion and ensuring smoother collaboration. This structured approach enhances communication and aligns everyone with project goals, fostering a more effective and harmonious working environment. Stakeholder management is a continuous journey. Consistent engagement, setting clear expectations, and resolving conflicts are crucial. This ongoing process ensures the solution is not only effective, but also embraced by users, leading to successful project outcomes. Mastering stakeholder management is crucial for successful project outcomes. By continuously developing these soft skills, business analysts can ensure effective collaboration and alignment with project goals. Keep honing these abilities to drive projects forward and achieve lasting success.